Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. Today I will share with you a delicious and spicy recipe for making Schezwan Chicken Roll. We will make Schezwan Chicken Roll by adding spicy chicken, veggies, noodles and bold and spicy sauces. So let's see its recipe. So first of all I have taken half kg chicken here. Here I have washed the chicken thoroughly 3 to 4 times with water, and after that I have cut it into a small pieces like this. Then I have taken a bowl of noodle here. I have boiled the noodles in a hot water, washed them in a cold water and cooled them so that they don't stick to each other. Then here I have taken all the dry spices, 2 tablespoons of chicken dana masala, 1 tablespoon of chicken tikka masala, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red food color, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of Maggi masala powder and 1 tablespoon of chicken masala powder. Then in veggies I have got it here finely chopped green onions and its leaves, finely chopped 2 carrots, finely chopped 1 bowl cabbage and 1 capsicum chopped into small pieces. And lastly I have taken 3 to 4 spoons of finely chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies, 2 tablespoons of Schezwan chutney, 2 medium spoon of red chili sauce and 1 medium spoon of soya sauce. So first of all we will add all the spices to the chicken and leave it for marination for half to 1 hour. So here we will add all the dry spices to the chicken, 3 to 4 spoons of cooking oil and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. We will mix all this well with the chicken, and after mixing we will keep the chicken for marination for half to 1 hour. After marinating the chicken for 1 hour, we will now cook it. So here we will cover the chicken and cook it on a slow flame for 20 to 25 minutes. Here we don't need to add oil because we have added oil while marinating it. So we will cook it by turning it continuously. We will not even add water in it because when the chicken starts cooking, water will be released from the chicken. So the chicken will be cooked with this water. So all we have to do is cook the chicken for 20 to 25 minutes while turning it every now and then. So here after cooking for 20 to 25 minutes, you can see that the chicken has become cooked and soft. So here we will mash the chicken in the pan itself and divide it into small pieces. Now here at this stage, we will add all the veggies and noodles. Then we will take another different pan. We will add 3 to 4 spoons of oil in it. Once the oil gets heated well, we will add ginger, garlic and green chili and saute them. We will fry these spices on a medium to low flame while turning continuously till they become transparent. So the spices have become transparent and the aroma has also started coming out of it. So now we will add all the sauces here: Schezwan chutney, red chili sauce and soya sauce. We will mix all this and cook it for 1 minute. And then we will add it to the chicken and veggies. We will mix all the veggies, chicken and noodles and spices well. After mixing all this well, we will leave the stuffing to cool. So here the stuffing has cooled down. Now we will make its rolls and get them ready here. So to make the rolls here I am using homemade sheets. If you want you can also use ready-made sheets. So first of all we will place the stuffing in the middle of the sheet like this. Later we will pack the sheet from both the sides like this. And now we will pack it from the upper side. Lastly we will apply slurry on the remaining side. And after applying the slurry we will wrap the roll in this way. So you can see how easily the perfect roll has been prepared. In this way we will make all the rolls. So I have also prepared all the rolls here. We will keep them in the freezer like this to freeze. When they are completely freezed, I will pack them in a separate container so that it is easy to remove them. I'm sure you will love this tasty Schezwan chicken roll recipe even more than your favorite takeout. So you must also try the recipe and tell us by commenting how did you like the recipe. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.